Hi! Just a few short days ago marked the 18th anniversary of when I made one of the best decisions of my life. I started my own business by becoming a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and that was during Sale-a-bration. So today I want to share with you 3 good reasons for you to join Stampin' Up! During Sale-a-bration too. Wow! It's already been 18 years! But you know what they say, time goes by quickly when you're having fun. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 18 years, I've been teaching others how to create their own hand-stamped smiles. You know what they also say, find a way to make money doing what you love, and that's exactly what you can do when you become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I am so passionate about owning my own business as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to share it with as many people as possible that would like to start their own businesses too. So I can give you many reasons, but I've narrowed it down to 3 good reasons of why you'd want to join Stampin' Up! During Sale-a-bration. The first reason is, it's the best job ever! While sharing your love of paper crafting with others, you can earn an income and, in my experience, meet some wonderful people. The second reason, it's Sale-a-bration! It's a great way to jumpstart your business with Stampin' Up! Giving free exclusive gifts with purchase at no expense for you. The third reason is Stampin' Up! Has a special offer for those who start their businesses by joining Stampin' Up! During Sale-a-bration. For a small investment of only $99, you get your choice of up to $125 in products plus business supplies in your starter kit to get your business started. But during Sale-a-bration, they're going to boost your starter kit with an additional up to $50 of products of your choice. And there's a second option. Look at this beautiful crafting tote. This is a $50 value, and you can add it to your starter kit for only an additional $30. Wonderful if you're going to do Stampin' Up! Parties. Those are only 3 of the many good reasons to start your own business by becoming a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator during Sale-a-bration. And I'd love to have you join my team so I can use my 18 years of experience and ongoing education to guide and encourage you in whatever goals you have for your business. Now, that special Sale-a-bration offer is available only through March 31st, 2019. If you'd like to talk to me more about joining my team and starting your own business, you are most welcome to call me at 702-513-9997 or send me an email at shelley@stampingsmiles.com. And if you know you would like to do this, start your own business as a member of my team, well, I'll have a link under the video where you can go do that right now. So I hope to be welcoming you to my team very soon. I'm Shelley Godby, happy business owner of 18 years as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for watching.